Hi there, everybody. Welcome back to another video today. This is Marybeth Angelelli, and I have a quick question that I would like to ask you, okay? What if the gift of a new business could help you and could pay for your family's holidays this year? But what if this gift could not only pay for your family's holidays this season, but could keep on giving even after the holidays are gone, well into 2025 and beyond. That is the best kind of gift of all. Well, imagine getting access to a step-by-step blueprint that's going to teach you and show you exactly how to launch your business in just a few short hours, and you don't even have to have any tech skills. You can start earning from 5 streams of income. And you know what this can do for you and your family? It can position you to stress less this holiday season and be able to go out there and really enjoy the holidays. Hey, I want to just share with you inside of our amazing community now that spans over 45,000 members worldwide, some amazing results that are being achieved because these members decided to take action. They decided to take a leap of faith and invest in themselves. And they got access to this incredible gift. And I would absolutely love to invite you to come inside and take a close look at this yourself and see how this can set you up. This can position you not only to give your family the best holiday of their lives, but something that is going to be able to take you well into 2025 and beyond and position you to be able to truly walk in your wealthy place, folks, because you deserve so much more. And this can absolutely help you to get from where you are right now to where you want to go and where you have dreamed about going, folks. So look at what is possible, okay? And I like to do this in just about all of my videos because I want to inspire you. I want to show you that what we do have here is the real deal. It absolutely works if you are willing to work for it. And it's really quite simple. You just need to be able and willing to commit to the process and be consistent with your marketing. Show up every single day. Be willing to be coachable. And that's exactly what I did. I took a chance on myself. I was willing to invest in myself. And a little bit above and beyond that, I was willing to invest in learning the high income skills that has positioned me to be able to transform my life this year in 2024. And I would absolutely love to share the system with you. What I'm doing is I'm dropping the link below to my website below in the description. And if you're serious, I want you to know this, that I do welcome all serious inquiries. So just text or call me, and I'd be more than happy to speak to you, answer any questions you might have, and help you to get started today, okay? Look at this. 13 hours ago, $900 ding, a $900 sell on a Tuesday afternoon as a South African. Look at that, folks. Look at this. Absolutely amazing, folks. Look, bye-bye nursing. I just left my nursing career. That relationship was a bit too clingy, but today I made the decision to burn all the bridges and boats and focus on the legacy program. 2 hours a day versus 12 hours for someone else. Folks, this is helping people. Okay, whatever your situation is, it has the potential to help you to get unstuck. Okay, whatever your profession is, whether it's nursing, whether it is something like truck driving, over-the-road truck driver, hospitality, retail, restaurant, insurance, something that's taking you away from your family, something that is prohibiting you from enjoying your life and being able to go out there and create those wonderful memories that you desire, that you've been longing for. And above all that, folks, you deserve, okay? Imagine going from 12-hour shifts down to working whenever you want. 2 hours, folks. This is what we follow. We follow a simple blueprint. Step by step, you'll get access to it. 2-hour workflow. And you can take these 2 hours and you can fit this in to the nooks and crannies of your busy day, folks. This is helping people to transition from the real world, from the corporate world, from the medical profession, from the hospitality profession, into becoming your own boss so that you can finally work smarter and not harder, okay? This can absolutely help you, folks. So look at this. It was an easy choice. Currently bringing in $900 a week, almost replacing my full-time nursing pay. But now I can put my focus on where it needs to be with the present mama I want to be, folks. Absolutely amazing. Okay? Look at this. This is what is possible, folks, when you step out, take a leap of faith, take action, and have the willingness to invest in yourself. We have so many winners inside of this amazing, amazing community, folks, and we're here to celebrate everybody's wins, irregardless of how small or large they might be. Look at this. First $900 this week. Look at this, okay? First $900 this week. Look at this. 1 million mark banked. Amen. I am so humbled as a single mom from Cape Town, South Africa. I have made my first million in 5 months on 4 different social media platforms. Thank you to all who have supported me and my son. I am so grateful to the Lord and my son and friends. Digital marketing has changed my life for good to empower single moms all over the world, folks. Another life being changed. Another life being changed because they were willing to take action and invest in themselves and learn the high income skills that digital marketing has the potential to help you to transform your life, folks. Okay, we'll just go down here for a few more. We have pages and pages of this, folks. Another $300 ding this afternoon. Great opportunity that we are blessed with. Absolutely, folks. This has been such a huge blessing. I know this year in 2024 what it has done alone for me and my family. And I see every single day inside of this awesome community how many lives are being changed, impacted in such a great way, folks. And yours can be next, okay? We have so many wonderful things planned. It's just absolutely amazing. Look at this, $900 on my birthday. Today was the best birthday ever. Took the day off. The Hubs took me shopping. Got a $900 ding while on my live. She wasn't on the live. It just worked out that way. All before dinner. Folks, look at what is possible. Okay, look at what is possible. Look at this. $900. Best birthday present ever. Look at this. Absolutely amazing. Okay, look at this. And it just continues to go on and on and on. So, folks, I'd love to share this with you. Again, all you need to do, just go down to the link below in my description. I always include my website in the first line of my YouTube descriptions, folks. And directly below that, you will see my contact details. Text or call me. That's the best way. By far, the best way to reach me. You have any questions, you want to know anything at all, I am more than happy to help you. Again, I welcome all serious inquiries. Just shoot me a quick text. If you have some questions, be happy to respond back to you or call me. Okay, either way, folks, that is the best way to reach me. And with that being said, folks, you know what to do next. Head on down below, check everything out firsthand for yourself, folks. And I would love nothing more than to see you inside of our DGC real soon, because the sooner you get started, the sooner your life can change for the better. Okay, absolutely. And you could be in a great position to be able to have the best holiday season ever. You don't want to be out there procrastinating, folks, because you know what they say about procrastination. I don't know if you know this or not, but it's common sense. Procrastination is the killer of all dreams. You want something bad enough, folks. If there is a will, there is a way. So just to leave you in closing, I am very flexible. I do accept all major credit cards, and I also have an awesome payment plan available to you too if you are in the USA. So anyway, folks, I will do what I can to help you. Let's get you going. Let's get you started today, and let's get you positioned to be able to have the best holiday season. So you don't have to stress about money. You can just go out there and you can have your freedom and you can enjoy this holiday season, this Christmas with your family. You can give them what they've wanted to have, folks, whatever that might be, and you can make memories, folks. It's all about creating memories and getting your life back, getting your time back, and stop trading time for dollars. With that being said, folks, thank you so much for allowing me to come back, share with you this amazing opportunity, continue to inspire you with these amazing results that our members are having worldwide and sharing inside the digital growth community. Would love to be reading yours next. See you soon on the inside. Thank you so much, and bye-bye.